Have you ever seen a work of art that took your breath away? Something that caught your eye and made you stop in your tracks? What if you could create something just as stunning all of your own? At our upcoming Resin art workshop in Bonapriso, Douala, you'll have the chance to do just that. You'll join a group of like-minded creatives in a cozy environment and learn the ins and outs of creating your own breathtaking resin art. You'll learn from experienced artists who have honed their skills and developed their own unique techniques for creating stunning resin art. They'll guide you through the process, sharing their knowledge and helping you troubleshoot any issues that come up. By the end of the workshop, you have created your own one-of-a-kind piece of resin art, and not only will you leave with a beautiful work of art, but you have gained new skills and techniques that you can continue to develop on your own. But it's not just about the art. It's about the experience. You will laugh, you will learn, and you will create something truly beautiful. Don't miss out on this unique opportunity offered to learn the art of resin and create something truly stunning. Secure your spot now by contacting us on 672-539719. We can't wait to see you there.